Myself, Rahul Kumar. I am from Ghazipur, UP and completed my graduation in BTech Electronics Communication in 2018 from South Asian University, Meerut, 10th and 12th, hometown Ghazipur, and after that looking for BTech career option in IT field, and then about Evision of my friend. My experience with a truly remarkable, if great opportunity of learn networking basic B as well as advanced concept from the expert, given knowledge that go to help in my career. Now place Cogent Private Limited in package 2.22 per year per annum. Evision training bus acknowledge and support, and then make sure understanding every concept before moving next one. In my view, Evision is a very highly recommended those people who are looking for BTech career option in the IT field. Thank you, Vision.